Hello there everyone, today in this video I would be talking about many details regarding zolpidem like dose, use, side effect, where not to use, where can we use, whether we can take it in pregnancy, and the list of drugs that interact with zolpidem, special precautions that should be taken, brand name, price and much more. So without wasting the time, let's finish the video soon. Okay, let's start with indication and doses of zolpidem. For short-term management of insomnia, we can use zolpidem. Note, if you wish to know about insomnia, its sign, symptom or any other thing which is related to insomnia, then kindly let me know that in comment section. An adult as an immediate release tablet require 5 to 10 mg of zolpidem immediately before bedtime. Maximum dose that can be administered is 10 mg per day when you are using immediate release tablet. Note, if you are going to administer extended release tablet or XR tablet, then in that case 6.25 to 12.5 mg of zolpidem is to be administered immediately before bedtime, and in this case maximum dose that can be administered is 12.5 mg per day. Now elderly, as immediate release tablet require only 5 mg of zolpidem immediately before bedtime, and note, if you are going to administer extended release tablet, then in that case 6.25 mg of zolpidem is to be administered immediately before bedtime. And the maximum duration of treatment in both the cases, either I am talking about adult or I am talking about elder persons, in that case maximum duration of treatment is 4 weeks including tapering dose. Tapering dose means just gradually decreasing the dose along with time. Note that extended release tablet or extended release capsules are designed in such a way that they provide a pre-designated amount of medication throughout the day, and hence generally it is taken only once or twice in a day. While as the name is suggesting, immediate release means these are those tablet or capsule that they do not take too much time in dissolving in our stomach, and as it dissolves very rapidly, hence their action is also rapid. Now I'm going to talk about zolpidem price in US market and in Indian market. Its price range is between $9 to $14 in US, while in India its price range is between 9 to 105 INR. Note that depending upon the brand, strength and formulation, the price changes. Alright, when we are using zolpidem or any other sedative or hypnotics, in that case patient counseling is one of the most important thing, and here the patient should be warned about the performing activities involving mental alertness or physical coordination after drug intake. Now a point comes, zolpidem is to be taken with food or without food. Zolpidem must be taken 1 hour before the meal or 2 hours after the meal. Doesn't matter it is an extended release tablet or it is immediate release tablet, you have to just take it 1 hour before the meal or 2 hours after the meal. Can we use zolpidem in pregnancy? Zolpidem is kept in category C, and the category C drugs are those which are used only when the potential benefit justify the potential risk to the fetus. If possible, avoid it. Adverse drug reaction or side effect. The side effect or the adverse drug reaction that can be seen after having zolpidem that are listed here: nausea, vomiting, dizziness, blurry vision, headache, rash, hallucination, somnolence, somnambulism, asthenia, amnesia, GI disturbance, anaphylactic reaction. Drug interaction. Note, flumazenil is used to help you wake up after a surgery or medical procedure in which a benzodiazepine was used as sedative. Flumazenil is also used to treat benzodiazepine overdose in adult, and this drug may reverse the sedative or hypnotic effect of zolpidem. CNS depressant like sedative, antihistamine, alcohol may increase the sedative effect of zolpidem. The plasma level of zolpidem increases with itraconazole, ketoconazole and other CYP3A4 inhibitors. Note that the hypnotic effect of zolpidem gets reduced when administered with rifampicin, and rifampicin is used in the treatment of tuberculosis. The hypnotic effect of zolpidem increases when administered with ritonavir. Contraindication. The patient suffering from severe hepatic impairment or any liver disease, in that case the patient must avoid the use of zolpidem.